I'm again working this spindle for the double rod back Windsor chair, and I'm doing it with hand tools rather than on a lathe. And I have tapered this upper section here with the spoke shave and hand and block plane. Now I need a 5/16 dowel all the way back to this point right here. I've put a pencil mark. I put this into the chair, into the socket in the seat, down all the way to the bottom, and then marked where I need to have the 5/16 diameter tenon. So the way I do this, I was able to use the dowel plate here and start that 5/16 diameter, and that gives me a way of just using a file here to take this back so that the dowel plate can work down a little bit further. This could also be shaped with a spoke shave on the shaving horse. So let's see if I can go just a little bit further with this. It's still pretty thick, and so it'll be a back and forth process with the file and the dowel plate. Okay, I think I'm going to quit at that point.